In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube captions not working on your Android phone. First, open the YouTube app and play the video where the captions are not working. Tap anywhere on the video to display the playback controls. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the video player. Select Captions. If captions are available for the video, make sure they are turned on. You can also choose Auto Translate and select your preferred language if needed. Now play the video again and check if the captions appear. If the issue continues, close the YouTube app. Tap and hold the YouTube app icon, then tap App Info. Next, tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. After that, reopen the YouTube app and test the captions again. That's it. This is how you can fix YouTube captions not working on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.